Hello, kids. So, the story we are going to read today is The Rabbit on the Handkerchief. Ming Ming's mother buys him a handkerchief with a tiny white rabbit on it. Hey, rabbit, Ming Ming says to the rabbit, let's be friends. No sooner has Ming Ming said this than the white rabbit jumps up from the handkerchief and grinds back. Yes, why not? He says. Then the rabbit jumps back onto the handkerchief. Holding the handkerchief in his hands, Ming Ming says cheerfully, let's go and play. After bouncing his rubber ball outside, Ming Ming is sweating all over. He sees his handkerchief to wipe the sweat off. A moment later, Ming Ming is on his knees, watching ants moving about. Then he cleans the mud off his hands with his handkerchief. After playing all day, Ming Ming is tired out and his handkerchief is dirty. He takes a bath and goes to bed. At midnight, the tiny white rabbit jumps out of Ming Ming's pocket. Hey, Ming Ming, wake up. Give me a bath, the rabbit says. Ming Ming is too fast asleep to hear anything. The rabbit has to go back onto the handkerchief. The next morning, Ming Ming falls down on his way to the kindergarten. Once again, he uses the dirty handkerchief to wipe his eyes. At breakfast, Ming Ming remembers a tiny white rabbit. Good heavens, the white rabbit has turned gray. What's happened? Asked Ming Ming. It's because you wiped your sweat and mud off with it, replied the rabbit. Your eyes are red, the rabbit says with surprise. Ming Ming wanted to wash them. Taking Ming Ming's hand, the rabbit told him, when you use the dirty handkerchief to wipe your eyes, some germs got into them and made them hurt. Let's go to your mother for some medicine. Ming Ming's mother put some eye drops into Ming Ming's eyes. After that, they gradually get better. Ever since then, Ming Ming and the white rabbit have been better friends than ever. Ming Ming washes his handkerchief clean. Look at the rabbit jumping up from the handkerchief. He has turned white again. Hope you liked the story. Don't forget to like and subscribe.